Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 battery terminals of 2021. The list starts from amber brass battery terminals connectors clamps, top post battery terminal protector set. It's made of brass and are directly marked on the terminal. It's thread already on terminal, make it faster and easier for installation. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is amber military spec battery terminal end, top post battery terminal set for marine. Its standard 3/8 diameter bolt for lugs mounting, also includes 5/16 diameter short bolt. Each terminal can hold multiple battery cable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Install gear 2/4 8/10 gauge Arabin Florence positive and negative battery terminal clamp and shims pair. Its gold screws terminals hold cable securely in place. It includes 1 negative and 1 positive terminal. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one. COROTC PCS copper battery terminals negative and positive car battery cable terminal clamps. It's 2. High quality. Our battery terminals connectors are made of copper and has plastic cover, which is connected better than zinc alloy and has better corrosion resistance. It's 4. Applicated scene. It is used for automobiles, trucks and caravan battery terminal connector. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Auto outlet car battery terminal connectors kit 2 PCS 048 10 gauge Arabin Florence car battery terminal. It's positive negative terminal positive 18 mm battery terminal connector negative 17 mm battery terminal connector. Provide 2 spacer shims for more flexible connection when the tapering post is not large enough. It's super durable copper plating, strong electrical conductivity, super corrosion resistance, reduce current transmission loss. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list. Install gear 048 or 10 gauge battery terminals with shims, positive and negative.